How to select and copy a section of audio in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio files you want to edit by dragging it into the window or selecting it through the file menu. Once your audio is loaded, you will see the waveform displayed clearly across the screen. Now, move your mouse to the starting point of the section you want to copy. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag it to the end of the section you need. As you drag, you will notice the selected area gets highlighted. Make sure the selection includes exactly the part you want to copy. You can also zoom in using the scroll wheel or the zoom buttons at the top for more precise selection. After making your selection, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This will copy the selected audio to your clipboard. You won't see a visual change, but the audio is now ready to be pasted elsewhere. If you want to paste it into a new file, go to File, click on New, and then press Ctrl+P to paste the copied audio. You can also paste it into a different section of the same file if needed, just by clicking on the desired spot and using Ctrl+P again. And that's it. Now you know how to select and copy a section of audio in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.